Pabor makapasok sa finals ng OKC, pero may laban ng Minnesota dito, promise. Nakadalawang panalo ang Minnesota against OKC in the regular season. Their defense sa tres was crucial because OKC is top 6 in shooting sa league, but when they face the Timberwolves, yung accuracy nila falls to the bottom 10. And Minnesota is no slouch. Top 4 lang naman sa shooting sa tres. Anthony Edwards must do more than score. In the 2 losses ng Minnesota to OKC, Anthony Edwards was the top scorer. In the 2 wins, iba'y naging top scorer. So Ant-Man must get his teammates involved. Siguro mga at least 7 assists for Minnesota to have a chance. The Timberwolves must limit their errors. Sa playoffs, they are the 5th worst team with almost 15 turnovers. OKC lang naman is the best defensive team in the league and the top playoff team in steals per game. So, if they keep turning the ball over, tambakan to. Tingin ko, Thunder in 7. Ikaw.